tutorial today, we're going to start a series of block settings, and this is a way to take your blocks and put them all together when you get them finished, some different ideas. And today we're just going to do a really basic block setting, and that's just to take your blocks and set them together without anything in between them. Over here we just have some little blocks, and they're not sewn together, but you can see how it would look if you put them together. And some blocks actually are made to just sit together without any sashing or anything in between. This is kind of a log cabin, and so the dark colors go together and then the light colors will go together, and then it makes a pattern. So sometimes you'll want your blocks to just set together, and that will make the pattern that you want. How do you know how many blocks to make? When you do it this way, you're going to have to make more blocks, but maybe you don't. Maybe that's how you want your quilt to look. So if you're going to put your blocks together this way, you're going to have to figure the width and length of your mattress, and then your quilt should hang off your bed about 13 to 16 inches depending on how thick your mattresses are. So you'll have the two sides that will have the hang and the bottom will have a hang. So figure how big of borders you want to have, and then minus that from the width of your quilt, and then you're going to divide that by, these blocks are 6 inches, these are 9 inches finished, and so then you would just take, okay, if I need 45 inches of blocks, and I'm going to put 5 blocks across. So you're just going to have to do some math and figure out exactly how many blocks you're going to need. This is the simplest and easiest way to put your blocks together, and for some it will work better than others, so you're going to just have to lay it out and see if this works for the blocks that you have. If you're going to make all your blocks the same, I think it's kind of cute to do it this way. So this is a really basic block setting for you. We'll talk about more in the next coming weeks.